Oh, we're back!
No, we're Gora and Boots.
Ayun, so,
Kamot ulo.
biniligaw lang tayo, pagod na tayo, gutom na tayo, kinain lang natin yung mangga.
Kaya
Tapos di man tayo binigyan nung si ate namin mangga.
Oo nga eh.
Ang dami-dami ng mangga, di man tayo binigyan. Tapos ito, biniligaw na naman kami.
Kailan mo ba kami dadalhin sa stat?
Ay!
Meron
Di pa
na
siya
naman.
tumigil. Ano yan?
Okay.
Boots? Ano naman yan?
Ano naman to ate? Ate ba? Hindi ko
Ate?
alam. Basta siya.
Tumingin ka sa likod at tanungin mo to sa kanya.
Huh?
Likod?
Siya din naman?
Ikaw na naman?
Ating mangga.
Wait, punta nga tayo sa kanya, Boots. Ate, pwede kayo ma-interview ulit kasi sabi nung nag-teach sa amin, tinangin ka daw namin bago kami ilipat.
Hindi ko din alam.
Hindi ko pala ako.
I thought you guys would let me in peace.
Hindi ko pa ba nagkakaroon ng hyperacidity?
Hyper?
Yeah.
This is my creep.
Oo, sama yung craving na hindi. Iba na yun ha. Huwag naman.
Maliban sa una, ito din. First
Ah.
na din. Let's
So-
finish this.
So, ito kasi yung question namin. So,
Take this case study. You name your phone Babe. Babe has been beaten down drastically over the years to the point that you had to replace all of Babe's part. The screen, the button, the casing, etc. Even your SIM card had to be replaced. After all these changes, is this still your Babe?
Una sa lahat, napaka-studious nyo naman. Panay
Okay.
case study kayo.
Hindi. Nililigaw lang talaga. Sino ba?
uy, basahin mo kayo. Ito yung opa.
Oo.
Sabi,
Hindi namin alam kung saan gagaling yan.
Ano, like, binigay ni God sa inyo yung challenge na yun.
ba't si God? Ba't si God? Dinadamay mo naman si God? Wala naman,
Na you are the chosen one.
ba't kami yung chosen? Kami si Jesus?
Greatest warrior ni God. Ganon.
Yeah. Pero like, ayun, to answer your question.
Yes, the phone is still Babe because of the memories you have with it. According to John Locke, the self is seen through memories, or what is called the memory theory. Because of your experience with Babe, we can say it is still your phone.
Thank you naman ate sa pagsagot.
So, meron pa rin tatlo ha. So,
So,
ito na yung
bago
next.
mo na ubusin yan, sagot ka muna ha. Kasi basahin mo, ang dami, ang dami. Ang dami.
Nakalagay dito sa next question. If the mind is non-physical,
and the body is physical, how does the phrase mind over matter make sense? Or does matter over mind make more sense? Explain your answer.
Ano ba? Ba't nang hilig nyo magpo-explain? I don't like
Oh,
explaining.
Basahin mo ulit ha. Ayan o.
hindi ka mo may
Pero
gusto
like,
niyan.
ano,
The phrase matter over mind makes more sense than the other phrase. Based on functionalism, our mental activities are due to the different processes and functions in the brain. One example of this is how our hormones affect our mood. This theory makes the role of our body, which is the matter, significant in how our mind acts.
Ate, last two na lang ha. Ready ka na ba?
Last two.
So, may enjoy mo na tabi. Last two na lang.
Last
Kasi gusto din namin umalis.
Oo.
So, which theory of the self?
Do you most identify with? Explain your answer.
The functionalism theory is the theory that I or we identify the most. As stated previously, functionalism tells us why our mind feels and acts in certain ways due to how the brain works with its functional processes. Based on my experience, these chemical processes in the brain dictate the mood we experience daily, thus making this theory very close for me.
So, tatapusin na namin to ate.
Ito na talaga.
Doon tayo may ano
Sige. Namnamin mo. Sige. Namnamin mo.
Lunok.
Ay, naasiman si ate.
Go.
Okay, ito na. Last one na.
Last one na. Nakita mo, last one. Last one.
Ito na. Makuha mo na yung kapayapaan mo. Ito na. Given the many theories of the self,
Which do you think most closely resembles a Filipino outlook on the self? Or do you think none of those theories satisfy the criteria for how we view ourselves as Filipinos? Cite specific local sources to back up your claim.
back up na naman.
Back up. Oo, ano.
Back ano?
The theory that closely resembles the Filipino outlook on life is the self as social theory. For Aristotle, people are inherently social. Furthermore, for Karl Marx, if you want to find your true self, it is through collective action. For Filipinos, this concept closely resembles the pakikipagkapwaan bayanihan. Filipinos are social and always care for others, especially during calamities the country faces.
So ate, thank you so much dahil natapos na rin. And hindi namin alam saan kami pupunta.
Okay, para hindi tayo magkasalubong ulit, saan tayo pupunta?
Sa start.
Ito ate, ito, walang kwenta na tong ano na to. Yun, wala na yun, huwag mo nang alalahanin yun. Kasi hindi
So-
namin alam kung saan kami pupunta.
So alam mo ba yung
ngayon.
start? Kung nasa
Ano naman siya?
God.
Ano to? Basahin natin.
para pumunta ng stat. O diba? Di pa nabubuksan, nababasa ko na. Para pumunta ng stat.
Oh,
Doon.
doon na naman. Oh, saan naman tayo dadalhin ito?
Doon.
Ay, napapagod na ako ba?
Doon.
Doon. Okay, doon.